Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to transfer from Web3 wallets to Bybit account. So make sure to download this application like the Bybit in your mobile phone, and once you download the application you'll be seeing this kind of interface, like either it is a exchange or Web3. So make sure to go to the exchange section, and once you're in the exchange section you will find this option called deposit. So click on deposit, and once you're in the deposit make sure to select your coin, like let's say for me that is USDT, and select USDT Tether. Click on it, and after that select the deposit address. Like for me that is let's say TRC20. And once you select the chain, get the address. After that just go to the Web3, and once you are into the Web3, after that it will take a few seconds to load. So just click on send button, and once you click on send, after that from here just select your pair, like let's say that is USDT. Just select USDT, and after that they will ask you to write down the address. So make sure to write down the address that you copied from the exchange section, and after that you will be able to send all the Web3 wallet to the Bybit section. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can transfer your Web3 wallet to Bybit.